You don't sleep. You don't eat. I hear you get up at night. All aboard?
Yeah. Yo, what time the plane leaving? Alright, see you at the airport. Hey. I'm leaving. We'll go ahead and leave the ball heard around the world from the wise of MCs. These cats is paying more than half a pound. We're going back and snatch it down. I got the scheme, but we can probably run them back to town. Scenarios like this is tear jerkers for the modern MC. I eat the blue collar workers cause they stay cold rhyming, no different from cold lining. We both on assignments and I'm diamond. When you start climbing and them eyes start shining, you struggling and striving and they think you prime time and maintain and keep silent. Make no an observation. It's confrontation. This is the daily operation. My concentration. Stay focused on my recitation. About to reach my destination with no pause or hesitation. Baby, make the preparation cause this ain't no recreation. This is pro ball. And we letting you know, y'all, at the show, y'all. Doing this for dough, y'all. Get the phone call, and I'm ready to blow, y'all. About to go, y'all. Been a pleasure to know, y'all. And I'm letting you know I'm leaving. But God willing, I'll be back home to drop these heavy ass bags up my backbone. Around the world with a catalog of rap songs. My baby girl is walking, been away for that long. But no, you haven't, well, at least it's how it seemed to me. My hometown is like a whole different scenery. The old timers on the stoop.